How? How?
Crime you two planned was indeed perfect. Bringing victims alive and murderers in. It's a pity you didn't know when you started your game of murder that I was playing too.
Mm.
I was doing double duty as night editor when the PD squad boss went crazy about a wild brawl at the old town hospital.
Yo, I ain't never gonna get nothing done. I'm supposed to be cleaning. I'm supposed to be waxing my lip. Yeah, today is just a chill. Well, every day is a chill, but today is definitely stay in bed and watch all of my favorite classic horrors. Like, and I know I'm showing y'all clips and stuff like that. You know, you get monetized and all that copyright strikes. Listen, I don't even care. And you know why? Because I just prayed on my channel. It's okay. It's okay to have a strike or two here and there. They're not going to shut down my channel, but if I was to ever get monetized, then, whoever owns the rights to the movie or the music would get the change, but I'm okay. For that episode, I'm okay. Like, it's Vlogtober. This is how I'm truly feeling. Like, I just want to just stay in bed and watch classic horror movies all day. I'll get up and I'll clean tomorrow. Yeah, I'll do what I need to do tomorrow. Today is Friday. Like, it's not even late still. It's not even 3 o'clock. So I've been doing this since 8 o'clock this morning. Like, I was up before that, but I didn't start watching stuff until like 8 a.m. I'm just chilling, y'all. I truly am. I'm just chilling. I'm bored. But I'm happy. What are y'all guys doing today? What do y'all want to be watching? What do you want to be sipping on? I'm not sipping on anything. I'm all out of booze. I drank it all. I drank it all. But I'm chilling like a villain. Chilling like a villain. And I'm okay with that. I am about to watch Night of the Living Dead. Oh my God, the original. If you know me, you know that this is the ish. This is how it started for me in zombies. Night of the Living Dead. As a kid, I have no business watching this. It's some movies that I just, watch with my brother. My brother put me on to so many horror films. It's ridiculous. Like, my brother put me on. My brother really put me on. But I don't even know how I came across it. It could have been him. It probably was him. It was you, Steve. But I just remember when I was a kid, my dad took me to see Friday the 13th. He took me to see Aliens. Like, he took me to see a lot of movies, but Aliens I went to go see with him. Friday the 13th I went to go see with him. A lot of the horror films, my brother, I watched with him. And my sister as well. But I just love horror. I can watch that every day. Like, the corny stuff, the scary stuff, the spooky stuff. Like, I don't know. But yeah, I'm about to get into Night of the Living Dead. And I don't know what I'll do next. I'm gonna do something with myself. I need to straighten up my room at least, because I don't want nobody seeing how I live. I don't live bad. My shelf is a mess. I just gotta put my laundry back in the closet. Now you take your laundry bag out, you dig through it I dig through it every day looking for the same thing, undergarments, because I'm sweating. And you gotta change, period. But I'm constantly sweating, so it's like I put one on. What am I talking about? But y'all already know. Y'all know I be out here walking, so y'all know. What am I talking about? For those who don't know, just y'all will find out. Well, y'all probably already know how it go. My vanity is kind of okay. I'm gonna leave my vanity alone. I don't even want to touch it because there's nowhere to put anything anyway. But yeah. All right, let me get out of your face for a minute, and I will be back.
They're coming to get you, Barbara.
Stop it! You're ignorant.
They're coming for you, Barbara.
Stop it! You're acting like a child.
They're coming for you. Look, there comes one of them now.
She'll hear you.
Here it comes now. I'm getting out of here.
Johnny!
Get squeaky clean, and the smoke detectors go off, and I'm like, what the? I jumped out the shower now. I just did my charcoal scrub on my skin, kind of lighten these blemishes. Still watching my zombie movie. Had it on pause. You know I had to get my ass up out the shower and make sure there wasn't no fire up in here. My skin is so dry. I got to moisturize it. I did my lips. Can't catch a break, y'all. I couldn't even get in the shower. Like, at least I got the stuff out my eyes. I'll be back. First off, if you're wondering what's on my face, it's toothpaste. I am breaking out. I use Proactive. It pulled everything out. And then it just left me sitting there. And then I said, wait a minute, you just can't leave me like this. So then I switched it over to the charcoal face wash. So that's been bringing it all back together and pulling the rest of it out and, you know what I'm saying, shrinking the pores. But y'all, okay, so I'm eating cucumbers, seasoned cucumbers, fried fish, right? I got me a big old cup of water. Taking a break. If y'all hear my daughter in the background, she's working on her channel. Taking a break from just the horror films. Now I'm on horror TV shows. My favorite show, The Monsters. I said, first of all, I have it on DVD. I have it on DVD, you guys. But I don't have a DVD player in my room. Okay, so I'm in my room eating dinner. Okay. So I'm like, let me just type it in. Let me see if anybody put anything up. It's October. Honey, okay? I got 2 episodes. I'll take that. The Monsters. Marilyn, there she is, the prettiest monster.
I'm home.
Herman, you're here. Well, when did you let us know?
I was trying. Never mind. What's going on here?
Well, we've decided to rent our guest room.
What is it? I am head of the house, and there will be no decision made here without my okay. The Munsters are not going to rent their guest room while I'm still boss. I declare the issue closed.
Storm.
I sure hope he's a live one.
The head of the house says issue closed. Erased! Stricken from our minds!
Oh, there's the ad I put in this morning.
Is anyone listening to me?
They sure put it in a good spot.
All right. Nobody here is listening to me, and if nobody listens to me, I'm going to storm right up to my room.
What was Harvey yelling about?
I don't know, something about a storm up in his room.
I can storm right up to my room. I haven't had dinner.
Dun. Oh, she is in heaven over here. I'm going to close this vlog out. I'm getting out y'all face. I will see y'all tomorrow. As you can see, I have a smile. I'm happy, y'all. I'm happy.
We're dripping with class.
I want to enjoy my dinner. And happy Fridays.
What was that?
Oh,
It's just Spot. He's chasing cars again.
Spot.
Playful.
Well, I wish
Yes. All right. Good night, you guys. Stay safe, stay sane, stay positive. Happy Friday. And I will be back tomorrow. I love this show. Look, look, look. Look at Spot.
Dear, now he's stealing car bumpers. He can't help it. He has an iron deficiency.
Good night, y'all.